So today I'm going to explain how I installed my gate pulley system and just briefly how I installed my gate latch. You can see here I bought these items from Lowe's. They were pretty inexpensive. Just needed a couple simple tools, a drill with some drill bits, screwdriver, pliers to cut off wire, and a leveler. So to install my latch, I needed to put in a 2x4 to my gate so that way the two pieces could become level. It was a real simple install and just had to drill some pilot holes and screw in the screws. Here you can see why I needed this 2x4 to make it level. So then to install the pulley system, first I had to have the latch all the way up so I could determine where to put the string. I needed to go inside the hole, and then I start with a small hole and then I drill it wider, that way I can maintain the center position. You'll eventually need to widen it out to be a full ½ inch because of the plastic pieces that you have to install. That'll be this piece. Here I am hollowing out all the way. Now I got the string fed all the way through, and now I feed it through the hole of my latch, and then I cut it to size, and now I got a very easily accessible gate latch that actually locks.